Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will talk about WordPress and CSS, where we learn how to edit, add and customize CSS on your WordPress website.
Plugins for WP, WordPress premium plugins and themes for an affordable price.
So here we have a simple website, simple homepage with H1, H2, H3, paragraph and paragraph with a link. And we would like to apply some CSS rules in order to make it prettier. So we can apply it from two screens. First of all, let's go into the backend of our website and into Appearance, Theme File Editor. And here on the right panel, you will see all the files on your active theme. So we need the style.css file, and here we can enter our custom CSS. So let's say that we would like to give a background color to our H1. We will target this component and we'll enter background color, for example yellow, and once we're done we'll update the file, and now we can go to our website and make sure it got updated. Click refresh, and if you don't see the changes you will need to hard refresh it just like so, and now you can see it. Great, so it's working perfectly fine. That was only one way how to add CSS to your WordPress website. Let me delete it first, and now I can show you the second screen. So the second way is through the customize screen, and you can find it here under appearance. Click on customize and it will take you to this customization screen. Here we will click on the latest option called additional CSS, and I like this screen because here on the left side you can add the CSS, while on the right side you can see preview of what it looks like. So let's say we would like to target the link, and we already know that link is an A attribute, so we will target the A attribute. And right now let's say we want to make it a little bit bigger, so we'll adjust the font size to 2em, and we can see the link just got bigger. When you're ready, just click publish and revisit your website to make sure it took place, and we can see that it is, and it's working as expected. The two ways that I just showed you are great if you know how to create the CSS rules yourself. However, if you struggle with that, we can definitely use some plugins that will help us without writing the CSS codes ourselves. One of them that I would like to show you called CSS Hero. You can get it from the official website for a minimum of $14, or the exact same plugin from us for only $4.99. Again, it's the exact same plugin. Alternatively, if you have our plugin manager installed on your WordPress website, simply navigate to Plugins for WP, search for CSS Hero, and install and activate it on your WordPress website. Once you activated it, click on the CSS Hero from the admin bar here at the top, and it will open the visual editor of this plugin. This plugin is also divided to two screens, the left panel and the right panel, which is the live preview. Here we can choose our selector and we can see which element we're editing over here. And then you can just choose what kind of style to apply to this element. So for example, if we would like to add a background color, let's expand the background panel and we can add a color. If we would like to change the size, we can go to the typography and just drag it left or right to choose the right size. It's very similar to Elementor, but this one doesn't add element, it's just using the already existing elements on your website and apply style to them. So it's a little bit different, but very similar in the way you design it. So every time you customize the selector, it will add the CSS rule over here, as you can see. And if you would like to adjust it even a bit further, move on to the Inspect tab, and here we can change the selector, for example, from a specific H3 to all the H3s of our website. And once you're done, just click on Save, and you can then exit the plugin and visit your WordPress website to make sure the changes are taking effect, and we can see that they are. Another great plugin and very similar is Site Origin Css. So install and activate it on your WordPress website, and once you did, you'll be able to access the plugin from the Appearance and Custom CSS screen over here. Here you can enter your custom CSS, and if you'd like to open the visual editor just like the CSS Hero, you can just click on this eye icon and it will open this screen. Right now we're editing the home page, as you can see here, but if you'd like to edit a different page, just simply enter the URL over here and click enter, and it will load the page that you would like to edit, just like so. But let me go back to the home page because that's the one I would like to edit. So I will click on it once again, just like so, and I can hover over the elements, and once I choose it, it will show you the DOM structure. So for example, let me choose this H3 title here, and you can see the DOM structure over here, and it will show you what you are editing. Right now you are editing the H3, you can also see it over here. For example, if I will choose the link, I can see that the DOM structure changed, and right now it's showing me that I'm editing the hover state of the A attribute, as you can see here. However, if I would like to edit something else from this DOM tree, I will just choose it here, and we can see that it's reflected over here. So for example, if we would like to change anything related to the link, we can choose a different color, maybe even a different size, different text, etc. Just like so. And once you are satisfied, just move on to the other elements that you would like to edit, maybe the footer, the other headers, etc. Edit each of them individually, and then click on the checkmark icon to transform the CSS rules from the visual editor to this text area, and then click on Save CSS. Then revisit your homepage or the page you changed to make sure the changes are taking effect, and we can see that it's exactly what we want it to look like. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding this process by leaving a comment down below. Please also like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel because there are more great videos on the way. I will see you all in the next video.